Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Today is card day, and we are making a Santa Suit Gatefold Card. I actually got this idea in a dream. Isn't that weird how, stuff comes to you like that? But this isn't the first time I've had that happen, and honestly, I give God all the glory because He puts these things in my head. I really feel that with all my heart. But anyway, this is what we are making. I did 3 different versions, but this is still my favorite, even though it's very simple. It's more, to me, like a traditional Santa suit. So these are what I'm going to share. I used designer series paper on both of these. This one I thought was cute because it said ho ho ho, and then this one was just a little star design on it. But if you want to know what these are from, it is from the Santa Express, which I've used recently. So this is the designer series paper, Santa Express. All this will be in my inspiration sheet on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. Just go there, you can print it, download it, and print it. And so this is what I'm sharing today. It's really easy to do. So let's get started. All right, we are going to make this one because it is my favorite. So I'm going to show you how this opens, by the way. I did use Velcro dots on this. So it just opens there, and then this opens up, and this is the one, of course, I didn't stamp the inside, but I'm going to stamp the inside of the other one, and then it just closes back down like that. All right, so for this, you are going to need a piece of 8.5 by 5.5. This is the same as a regular card base, only we're going to score it differently. You need 2 pieces of real red. These are 2 by 5 3/8. And then you need 1 piece that is for the belt, that is 2 1/4 by 1 and 4 by 1. So you need those 2 for the belt. And then you need a piece of, I'm using gold foil. You can use silver foil. This is our gold foil sheets. And that is going to be for the belt, which I am using for this one, our stylish shapes. And then for the little tag, I am using this from another one of our dies, which is called the mini pocket envelope die. I used this before. I showed you this also in another one. And then these are our stylish shapes, which I'm using the 2 smallest squares in that. The stamp sets I'm using is the cottage wreath, but I'm using the Merry Christmas only from that. And then from this one, I'm just using the For Lots of Joy at Christmas, the inside sentiment. So pick your favorite sentiments for it. Even if you had ho ho ho, it'd be really cute for the outside. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the sentiment and run these through the cut and emboss. So I'm just going to use Memento Black for this, and we're just going to stamp the Merry Christmas. And then I am going to run that through with this little oval. And then this one, I just used my mint tape to set them where I wanted them inside one another, and then I'm going to run that through. So I'm going to do that, and I will be right back with that. Okay, so this is what I get, is the little square for the buckle, and then we have the Merry Christmas right there. All right, let's go ahead and score our basic white. This is thick basic white, by the way. I always use it for my card bases. And we are going to score it. So the best way I like to do these gatefold is to do 2 1/8. So you're going to do 2 1/8, and then I like to turn it and do it at 2 1/8. This way they're exactly the same on both sides. They seem to fit together better for me that way. Okay, so we are going to sharpen these. And then you see it fits really nicely together. All right, now what we are going to do is we are going to take, oh, I forgot, well, we had the Simply Scored up here to score these. So let's just go ahead and score these. It's really simple. We're only scoring each one of these at 1/2 inch. So just score one end at 1/2 inch. And that's it. Alright, so this is the way I like to do it. I just like to attach it to this piece first because it just makes it easier just to put it on your card base. Alright, so the way I do this is I use my grid paper here, and I'm going to push it up here a little bit so you can see here the measurements here, and I just lay it down here. I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus for this, and we are going to just put it on that 1/2 inch piece there. I'm going to do the same with this one, and I'll have it ready. And you could do this by just measuring it, or you can just do it like I'm doing it if you have the grid paper. We do sell this grid paper, by the way. It's really handy. So I put it at the 2 1/4 inch mark, and I just line it up here, and then just put it on here. And I got it crooked, so I'm gonna fix that. There we go. So this is the left side of the card, like that, and then we're gonna do this one too. So on this one, of course, this is solid, but if you have a print, be real careful that your print is going the right way when you do this. Again, I'm gonna put it right at the 2 1/4 inch mark. Just line it up right at the 2 1/4 inch mark there, and then just make sure wherever you put it, it's the same on both sides. So you can measure down, you know, 2. I just did a 2 1/4 because that seemed to be right in the middle. So that's why I did that mark. But you can put it wherever you want, if you want it higher or lower or whatever. All right, so we're going to attach this now to our card base. This is so strong, this adhesive, sometimes it catches on to your cardstock and kind of bugs me, but we're going to set this on here. Like that, and then I'm just going to do the other one on this side. I got pretty good about using this, so alright, so then this one has to go this way. Trying to get that right in the center there. And then you have your 2 pieces. Now I made this the left side. If you get them off a little bit, like this one's a hair off here, you can easily fix it by just using your bone folder and go in. You can move it like that. See, lines right back up. All right, now I'm going to use some wet glue to put on the buckle. So I'm going to just put it, I'm going to do it this way so I don't get glue everywhere. We're just going to attach the buckle here, right on the end. And while that's drying, I'm going to just take my little snips, and I'm just going to snip some little corners here, just to make it look more like a little buckle at the, or belt at the end. And just try to make it a little bit more even. All right. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to grab my little Velcro dots, and I'm going to put, you need one of the fuzzy ones and one of the regular, and these are really, really little mini ones. I did find these at Hobby Lobby, so you can check Hobby Lobby and see if you can find them there. I'm going to just put it on the end, very end right here. I'm going to slide this through, and we are just going to seal it down like that. And then you'll be able to just lift it back up. It's really, really easy. Then all you have to do is put your sentiment on. And I'm going to stamp the inside, so hang in there with me. So there's the little Merry Christmas. So now I'm going to go ahead and stamp the inside. You can even put designer series paper on the inside, or there's so many things you can do with the inside. Stamp something else on the inside. I'm just going to stamp the sentiment for now. It says, "For lots of joy at Christmas time." I really like that sentiment. And that is it. Just put that through again, and it goes right down. So that is it, everyone. Super easy to do, and it's a really fun one. I mean, this would be really cute for like kids, for actually any adult. I'd like it myself, but you have options here. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. And this is my July hostess code. I'd appreciate it if you used it when you ordered. And thanks for watching. I hope you all have a blessed one. See you later. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.